Activating your RBC Royal Banking debit card is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To get started, just open your web browser and search for rcbroyalbank.com. Now click on How do I activate my credit card? You can activate your credit card in one of the following ways. If you have access to online banking, sign in using your client card or username and password. Select your credit card on the account summary page. You will be taken to the credit card account details page, where you can select Activate My Credit Card, follow the on-screen prompts. If you don't have access to online banking, go to rbc.com/activate. Do this while activating your card. You can also enroll in online banking if you wish. Also, you can call us on the number given to activate your card. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, or if you're unsure about any steps, consider contacting RBC Royal Bank's customer service for assistance. They can provide you with guidance and support to ensure your debit card is properly activated.